Hi guys, how to reset Windows 10. Now, open the Windows Start menu and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where the magic begins, so don't skip ahead. From the main settings window, locate and click on Update and Security. Here's a mistake most people make. They click the wrong category, so look carefully for the two arrows icon. On the left-hand sidebar, select the Recovery tab. Keep watching because the next step is where you can accidentally wipe your entire hard drive if you're not paying attention. Under the Reset This PC section at the top, click the Get Started button. This step is very important because it's your point of no return. Now choose between Keep My Files, restores Windows settings but keeps your personal data, or Remove Everything, full factory reset that deletes all your apps and files. Select your reinstallation method. Cloud download is faster, but uses more data. Then click Reset to begin.